I'll be using public relations and direct marketing as my green marketing communication. Public relations or PR plays a crucial role in green marketing communication by building a brand's eco-friendly reputation and engaging with stakeholders who value sustainability. Through press releases, media events, and partnerships with environmental organizations, PR helps communicate a company's commitment to sustainability initiatives like using renewable resources or reducing carbon emissions. By sharing success stories and environmental goals with the public and media, PR creates a positive image, builds trust, and positions the brand as the leader in environmental responsibility, thereby enhancing customer loyalty and community support. Second is direct marketing. Direct marketing in green mar- in Direct marketing in green marketing communication allows brands to personally connect with customers about their sustainable initiatives and products. Through targeted emails, newsletter, and direct mail, companies can highlight eco-friendly product features such as energy efficiency or biodegradable packaging. By sharing information about green practices directly with customers, such as reducing carbon footprints or ethical sourcing, direct marketing fosters an authentic relationship built on shared environmental values. This personalized approach reinforces the brand's commitment to sustainability and encourage customers to support green initiatives.